y'all, as always, I'm a little under the weather. But the whole reason why we came to Governor Harbor was for this fish fry, so here we are at the fish fry. And it's windy as hell, and I'm sick, so you probably can't hear me. So here's Cassie. She got nothing to say. So, but yeah. Yeah.
Semi-matrix. It's a semi-matrix, not the full matrix. It's a semi-matrix. All right, give it up for group 2.
We're on this night flat walk, y'all.
So flat. Well, y'all, I've been really sick for like 5 days now. Feel so bad for Cassie, just having to deal with me not sleeping because I'm coughing all night. But it's been, like I said, about 5 days, 6 days, and I'm not getting no better. So I'm supposed to be getting some wind today, and we're gonna try getting down to Rock Sound. Yeah, I'm gonna get down there because there's a pharmacy, so maybe I can get some antibiotics or something. So we'll see. I've never had to try to get medicine over here, so yeah, should be fun. I don't know if you can just walk in and be like, hey, I need some antibiotics, or you gotta see a doctor. No idea. So we about to find out though. Well, y'all, sorry I didn't film nothing today. I'm dying over here. It was a rough sail. Started off pretty good, just 10-mile-an-hour wind on the beam, and then it picked up and we were heeled like 30, and I'm just so wore out I was having a hard time controlling the boat, so I ended up doing a bunch of reefs and slow sailed, but that's all right. We made it, anchor's down. I just took some medicine, some NyQuil, and I'm about to eat some dinner and go to bed. So sorry guys, it sucks being sick. Peace. Well, doctor's pharmacy is too expensive, so I'm just gonna sweat it out today. I'll feel better. Just did some diesel. Already ran out of one of our propane, so we still got a couple months here, so we're gonna go and get this one filled while we have the opportunity. And yeah, back to Rock Sound. Doing shit. Well, propane's filled. $39, not bad. We paid $27, I think, in Marathon, so I ain't mad. All right, everything's fueled up. Now time to go get Cassie fueled up with some fried chicken. It's been too long since she's had fried chicken, apparently. Well, y'all, we out, leaving Rock Sound. Still a little sick. Sorry we didn't do much here, but we were just here, so we ain't missing much. So, all right, back to Cat Island. We're gonna try to hit up some different anchorages on Cat Island, and then keep on going from there, y'all. Well, anchored down on Bennett's Harbor on Cat Island. Another 65 miles or so of pulling fishing lures and no fish, y'all. Swapped out lures and everything. Just don't think there's any fish here. Well, y'all, windy as could be today, but it's sun's out on this beautiful beach, and the water is full of sea lice. So won't be getting in the water today. They are freaking everywhere. So I'll see if I can't get some on video when we leave. Yeah. Well, y'all, we got some bad weather coming in again. I'm finally over my cold, so we're getting off the boat today. We're gonna hang out on this little corner of the beach over here. Got it all to ourselves.
beautiful water. I'm gonna go along this wall and maybe I can find a fish or something. Fingers crossed, got my spear and everything. So, but yeah, still love Cat Island, y'all. I think Cat Island's my favorite island so far in the Bahamas. Love it. Guys, we moved to a different anchorage yesterday, got our butts kicked. Terrible sail, terrible everything. Ended up motoring and just really uncomfortable, shitty days. So I don't think we got much video, unfortunately, because we were neither feeling it. Got here and it's actually a pretty rolly anchorage. Well, back in New Butt, y'all. Just got the trash off the boat. Been 13 days and we had 2 bags of trash. Feels good to be somewhere again. Yeah. Ready, shut that up.
Captain America. Oh, Captain America? Wow. You get it?
Well, time to mow the grass again. Well, ugly, windy day still. We haven't done much, but this is gonna be our 3rd attempt to do our laundry. So fingers crossed we can get it done today. While Cass is doing laundry, I'm gonna walk up to the grocery store so that way I don't bug her too bad. I'm just gonna get another dozen of eggs, some coffee creamer, and I think a loaf of bread or something, nothing crazy. Yeah, get it while we can. And then my birthday's coming up. I'm gonna be 43 years old, y'all. But yeah, my birthday's coming up this coming week. So I don't know where we're gonna be for that, but we'll figure it out. But right now, laundry, perfect. People always ask how you eat on the boat. A lot of times we can chicken, I ain't gonna lie. But there's some nights we spoiled ourselves. We're making homemade shepherd's pie tonight. Have everything actually on the boat to make it, so let's do it. Well, y'all, so far everything's holding good. Blowing somewhere around like 35-ish. Maybe a little bit more with these gusts. But yeah, we seem to be doing okay. It's windy and wet and cold though.
Oh, wow.
And it's loud. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, it's blowing really good. We're fully exposed. Yeah. So we've been on Cat Island for a week and had no idea there's a festival going on today. Awesome. Festival for my birthday.